Hey there, I'm Eddie O'Donnell from Snow Joe, and today we're going to be taking a look at this portable propane-powered generator from Sun Joe. Let's take a look at getting started with your generator. Before setting up the generator, make sure you're at least 20 feet away from any windows, vents, or doors from your house. That way, none of the fumes can get in.
It's good practice to check your engine's oil level before startup each time. The little green knob down here unscrews to reveal an oil dipstick with a high and low marking. To check the oil level on your engine, take your dipstick and wipe it dry on a towel. Then, without threading it in, insert the dipstick to the port, pull it back out, and see what the level is. If the oil's low, use the included funnel and pour more oil into the engine. And now, since the oil level here is alright, we can reinstall our cap. It's important to inspect your propane tank before use. Spray it all over with a soapy mixture in a spray bottle and wait, watching for any bubbles to appear, checking these areas thoroughly. If you see any points on the surface that are bubbling up, then you know there might be a leak.
Now it's time to load in the propane tank, but you'll need a couple of things that come with the generator. A strap for the propane tank, and most importantly, the hose. When it comes to setting in your propane tank, all you have to do, let the gate on the back down and set your propane tank space into the little cutout. You can grab our elastic strap. Hook it to one side, pull it around tight, hook it to the other side of the propane tank, and now we're ready to tie the propane tank in to the generator.
With your propane tank closed, attach the regulator valve to the tank. Make sure this connection is nice and tight,
And you're good to open the tank now.
Slowly open the valve on your propane tank and be sure to open it all the way.
In the top compartment, we'll plug in our 24-volt battery for the power start. Now that the propane's hooked up and the battery's plugged in, we're ready to turn this on. We recommend that when you get your generator, set it up, turn it on, and run it for about 5 minutes, just to make sure everything's working perfectly before you stow it away. Let's show you how to start it. Let's move our choke lever from the run side to the start side. That's on the left here. Now, with the power start, all we have to do is hold down the start button until it turns on. Once that happens, we'll push the choke lever back over to the run side. To turn it off, just push the button to the off position. In the event that we need to start the generator manually, set the choke into the start position. We're going to take our power switch and set it into the middle on position. Give the pull cord a swift pull. When you're done using it, you can close up the tank, detach the hose, and fold this up for easy storage. Before storing your generator after use, make sure you let it cool down for about 20 to 30 minutes and roll it to whatever location you want to store it in. Pull the pin on the handle here, fold it down, and now it's ready to be put away. So now that you know how this generator works, when the power's gone, you'll know how to power Joe on.